why is it that, or why do you think physicists who get far enough along, these are like advanced physicists, they're on the cutting edge, why, unless if I don't know that they're doing this, would they not want to look at the basis of thought, emotion, and perception as opposed to trying to figure it out from the perspective of matter, like just getting lower and lower and lower level, or looking at it with thought and with matter? Like, I feel like at some point, if you're being genuine in your inquiry as a physicist that far along, you would then say, all right, I can't look at this thing with itself. I have to look deeper.
Well, some of them have realized that they can't take the observer out of the picture, okay? And so there's a whole observer problem. So that's one. One is, number one, physicists have realized that they've got a problem because the observer is tampering with the results, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Tampering with, but affects the results. This the observer quality. That's one. Two, if you use David Bohm as an example, right?
Yeah.
Or even Oppenheimer, to some extent. I don't know Oppenheimer well enough, but with Bohm, he certainly went directly to Krishnamurti and tried to get him to explain what he knew, and Bohm couldn't quite grok it because his preparation was wrong. But also, it's a huge, huge leap. It's much bigger than the Earth revolves around the sun, but it's analogous to look at things the way they actually are. And so, as always in history, mankind is frightened by having to throw out everything he knows. And it feels like you're throwing out everything you know. You're not throwing it out. You're just relegating it to its realm of relevance, which is the relative realm. And we can't solve these absolute questions in science by staying in the relative realm, obviously. But the leap that it takes and the findings are so indescribable, so inexplicable, so difficult to articulate, and so the opposite of what people have believed all their lives. It's very difficult for unprepared men or women to accept that just on the basis of logic alone, because it requires a logic beyond what we currently are able to master with our little monkey brains.